Well, it's a great day to get outside, but may come with a couple sprinkles ahead of your evening plans. Meteorologist James Hopkins is tracking our Sunday temps.
Yeah, things are looking beautiful out there to start your day, and actually they're going to be beautiful for the majority of the day. So get out and enjoy today. You feel a little bit more humidity, still not too bad though. And you see all the blue skies. 70 for Clearwater, 72 St. Petersburg, and 71 for Tampa. So satellite radar shows dry conditions. And again, we do have a cold front. This is a relatively weak one, so you're not going to see much of a difference. We'll see the humidity going up. We'll get a shift of the wind later today. That'll bring the humidity up today into tomorrow. The front will push its way through with a few of these as we go throughout later on this evening. So you see a chance along the Nature Coast as we go throughout later this evening into overnight. And then we're going to see things kind of drying out again Tuesday and Wednesday. Your Futurecast will show you that. We'll see again a nice day with some clouds gradually building as we go throughout your afternoon into the evening. Again, between 7 and 8 o'clock, we'll see some of those showers pushing their way in. You see there we go around Tampa area, Nature Coast again about 6 to 7 o'clock, and then they'll dry up as they move their way in. And then for the next couple days, rain chances are going to remain relatively low. And again, most places will be staying dry Monday and Tuesday, but for both days, your evening commute, you might see a few drops on the windshield, but that's really going to be about it as the humidity will go down just a little, not much though. You see there's the front that's going to push its way through. High pressure builds into the north, and then that front will gradually dissipate. We have another one coming through. This one a little bit stronger but dry, so not going to see a chance to rain this one, but as we go Thursday, Friday morning, you'll feel that difference with the lower humidity that sticks down to the south. This system will move its way up to the north, but could see a few showers kind of late in the day on Sunday into next Monday. And you'll see that here. So again, there's your chance of rain going up and down, and same thing Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of the following week. You're looking at 20, and about another 10 for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, just like we're dealing with today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. Tropics update, 60% potential for tropical development out of this one, and we do have another Invest 98L. Right now, 35-mile-per-hour winds moving to the west quickly at 26 miles an hour. And forecast models show the potential for some development once it gets to the central or maybe even the western Caribbean as we go throughout again. This would be the next 7 to 10 days. So model comparison, you can see the GFS is in the yellow, and so there is Thursday. Then starting to see a little something developing there, while the European model has a little bit later. But notice what the GFS did. It had it developing and then moving its way towards the northeast. European model has it developing a little further to the west and then starting to drift its way up to the north. Extended models will see if it takes it up towards the Bahamas. It could be relatively close to very, very southern Florida, maybe the Keys and into Cuba. But you see, this is going to help us out. And again, this is a forecast of the wind shear. And this goes all the way into the following Wednesday, October 29th. And this would act like a wall, keeping anything away from us. And that is why the GFS model has it pushing its way this way. And if the European model, which is a little later to develop, has it drifting to the north, it would do the same thing, get picked up by this and push its way off towards the northeast. That does warn. Close watching, though, as we go throughout, again, the next week to 10 days. So 88 for today. We have that sunny start, some afternoon clouds, that 30%, again, coming in around sunset. For your marine forecast, winds will make that shift today, about 10 to 15 knots, seas at 2 to 3 feet, moderate chop in the bay. And then for tonight, we have low 70s, partly cloudy. And again, a few stray showers early going into the overnight, but then dry for the rest of the overnight. And then lower rain chances for Monday and Tuesday, still around 88 with those lows in the 70s. A second cold front comes through Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday morning, more comfortable start to the day, but back up to 88 with sunshine to start next weekend.